Did you know that the battery pack in your electric vehicle, the floors of high-rise buildings, and the soles of your sneakers all rely on the same hidden hero? Your shoes, your car interiors, furniture, mobile phones, even electrical appliances. What's the one thing silently holding everything together? It's adhesive. Synthetic rubber adhesive, a product that quietly powers India's manufacturing ecosystem. Today's video is about how this low-visibility product is becoming a high-impact industrial opportunity. So stay with me, because this is not just chemistry. This is business, demand, and India's growth story. Why adhesives matter in modern manufacturing. India's manufacturing is evolving fast. Industries are moving from screws to bonding, welding to flexible joining, heavy fasteners to lightweight materials. Why? Because modern products need strength, flexibility, durability, speed in production. This is where synthetic rubber adhesives come in. They bond different materials, metal, rubber, plastic, wood, leather with efficiently and reliably. That's why demand is rising across industries. India's adhesives market is worth 25,000 crore rupees, growing at 12% CAGR through 2026. Applications and market demand. One of the biggest strengths of synthetic rubber adhesive is its wide range of applications. It is used in footwear manufacturing, automobile interiors and upholstery, furniture and plywood industries, packaging and laminates, electrical and insulation products, construction and interior works. Because these sectors never stop growing, adhesive demand remains steady and recurring. This is a consumable product. Industries reorder it again and again. Synthetic rubber adhesive and India's growth. India is pushing hard on Make in India, infrastructure development, automobile and EV manufacturing, affordable housing, MSME-led production. All of this requires efficient bonding solutions. Synthetic rubber adhesives help manufacturers reduce production time, improve product quality, lower assembly costs. As Indian industries modernize, adhesives are shifting from optional to essential. Government support and policy environment. Here's where it gets even better. Synthetic rubber adhesive manufacturing fits perfectly under Make in India, MSME promotion schemes, import substitution policies. Government support includes incentives for chemical manufacturing, support for MSME units, easier market access for domestic producers. Growing preference for Indian-made industrial consumables. As imports become costly, Indian adhesive manufacturers gain a competitive edge. Future demand and profit potential. With growth in footwear exports, automobile production, furniture and interior markets, construction and packaging, the demand for synthetic rubber adhesive is expected to grow steadily. Well-planned manufacturing units can achieve lakhs monthly profits depending on capacity, formulation, and customer base. Raw materials are available, technology is proven, and buyers are already in the market. This makes it a scalable and repeat demand business. Key benefits of synthetic rubber adhesive manufacturing. Let's quickly summarize why this industry makes sense. Strong and recurring industrial demand. Used across multiple sectors. Scalable MSME-friendly business. Supports Make in India. Reduces import dependence. High value-added chemical product. Long-term growth potential. This is manufacturing with consistency and control. Synthetic rubber adhesive may not be visible, but it is indispensable. As India's manufacturing base expands, this industry will continue to grow quietly but powerfully. It's a business built on demand, durability, and domestic production. If you're looking for a practical manufacturing opportunity with steady demand, synthetic rubber adhesive is worth serious attention. Like this video if it added value. Subscribe for more real industrial insights. Comment below if you want a detailed project report or market analysis with 30+ years of experience. NIIR Project Consultancy Services prepares market surveys and techno-economic feasibility reports to help entrepreneurs build strong and sustainable manufacturing businesses.